What's up, everyone? This is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a tugging video in the Arrma Mojave Guava Process 222S. This is a four-wheel drive machine, and I promise that this thing that we'll be using in this video, which one takes my opinion, because like I said, because the last time that this thing got used ever since October, and it's set this since November, December, and January. So it's been for 3 months, you can see, which it will definitely be using in this year, which I promise you this thing that we'll be using in this year, for 2026, my opinion. Now you can see the wheel tension, you can see it's got some like scratches up here, dent right there, the stick is playing out, this crack back here, and then scratches over here. And it's got some like wheel tension, you see, but this stuff is not that bad in my opinion. So I promise you this thing that we'll be using in this year, for 2026, my opinion. So I promise you this thing that we'll be using in this year for 2026, my opinion, which is I promise you this thing what we think of us is this thing will be used this month or wait till like next month or something like that. But this thing that will be used if it's not money sticking outside the jacket, which I know at some point it's gonna be at some point, which is definitely looks like a very nice thing. You see what I mean? But I know this thing will get stuck sometimes because this thing because it's got smaller tires on it, which it's definitely not that bad in my opinion. So this is this thing that we'll be using in this year's jacket, which I hope at some point this thing that we'll be using in this year. And definitely hope at some point this thing that we'll be using in this year's jacket, which I hope at some point this thing that we'll be using in this year's jacket, which I promise you this thing would definitely use this year. Which I promise you this thing that we'll be using in this year's jacket for 2026, my opinion, which I promise you this thing that we'll be using in this year's jacket, so I hope it even this month or next month. If this thing gets nice and warm outside, it's definitely we'll be using in this year's jacket, which is definitely looks something like a machine, my opinion. So I hope at some point this thing that we'll be using in this year.